Which of the following historians has called Shahjahan's reign as the golden age of the Mughal period? Answer is option A. L. Srivastav. Enter the correct sequence of the four major battles fought by Humayun. The names of the battle sites are mentioned below. Answer is option C. Devra, Chausa, Kannauj, Sarhind. Under whose patronage was the Red Fort constructed in Delhi? Answer is option B. Shahjahan. The meaning of jihad carried on by Aurangzeb is? Answer is option D. Darul Islam. Masnavi, which is a collection of rules of Muslim law by Babar? Answer is option B. Mubayin. Which of the following Mughal emperors was not allowed to enter into Delhi by Wazir Ghaziuddin? Answer is option C. Shah Alam II. In the Mughal administration, Madad-e-Mas indicates blank. Answer is option B. Revenue-free land given to learned persons. The Mughal period Muhtasib is known for which of the following functions? Answer is option C. Monitoring the conduct of pupil. Lane Pool, the historian writes blank. The emperor tumbled through life and he tumbled out of it. This statement refers to? Answer is option A. Humayun. Who was the Mughal ruler who died by falling from the stairs of his library? Answer is option B. Humayun. The restoration of Mughal power resulted from the victory of Humayun in which war? Answer is option B. War of Sarhind. When did Humayun re-establish Mughal Empire in India? Answer is option D. 1555 AD. The Mughal Empire extended up to Tamil territory in the south under the reign of blank. Answer is option B. Aurangzeb. Which Mughal emperor was first a prisoner of the British and later a pensioner of the Marathas till his death? Answer is option A. Shah Alam II. By which treaty did Shivaji transfer the forts to the Mughals? Answer is option D. Treaty of Purandar. During the reign of Akbar, the role of an official called Amalguzar was blank. Answer is option B. To make an assessment and collection of land revenue. During the reign of which Mughal ruler was the jizya reimposed? Answer is option D. Aurangzeb. With which Mughal ruler is the Moti Masjid in Agra associated? Answer is option B. Shahjahan. Who among the following Indian rulers was a contemporary of Akbar? Answer is option A. Rani Durgavati. Who was the first Indian ruler who could bring Kabul and Kandahar under Indian Empire only after Kusanas? Answer is option D. Babar. Which Mughal ruler was called the Prince of the Gardens, Crown of Gardeners, because of his great interest in groves, gardens? Answer is option D, Babur. Which Mughal ruler was first buried in Agra? Later, one of his Afghan widows took the body to Kabul and buried it in a garden there. Answer is option C, Babur. Who got the tomb of Sheikh Salim Chishti built in red stone at Fatehpur Sikri made of marble? Answer is option A, Jahangir. बीबी का मकबरा is located in India at. Answer is option B, Aurangabad. Which Mughal ruler was on the throne of India when East India Company was permitted to establish a factory at Surat? Answer is option D, Jahangir. Which Mughal ruler ruled twice? Answer is option D, Humayun. Where is Humayun's tomb? Answer is option B, Delhi. Who defeated Humayun in the Battle of Chausa? Answer is option B, Sher Shah Suri. During the reign of which rulers Malik Muhammad Jaisi completed Padmavat? Answer is option C, Sher Shah. Has he lived in the court of blank? Answer is option A, Akbar. When was the Battle of Haldi Ghati fought? Answer is option D, 18th June 1576. Babur entered India for the first time from the west through. Answer is option B, Punjab. Emperor Akbar conferred the title of Zari-Kalam to which of the following? Answer is option D, Muhammad Hussain. Which one of the following emperor was known as Alamgir? Answer is option C, Aurangzeb. Which Rajput dynasty had not surrendered to Akbar? Answer is option D, Sisodia. Which of the following Sikh gurus was the contemporary of Mughal Emperor Babur? Answer is option B, Guru Nanak Dev. Coronation of Akbar was done at which place after accidental death of Humayun? Answer is option C, Kalanaur. The tomb of Sher Shah Suri is situated in. Answer is option A, Sasaram. Babur defeated blank in the first battle of Panipat. Answer is option C, Ibrahim Lodi. During the British period, the Grand Trunk Road connected which of the following places? Answer is option B, Calcutta and Amritsar. Which Mughal ruler was coronated twice? Answer is option D, Aurangzeb. What was the real name of Birbal, a court member of Akbar? Answer is option A, Mahesh Das. Which of the following is an autobiography? Answer is option C, Tujuk-e-Babri, Baburnama. Who started the tradition of building a garden with running water? Answer is option A, Babur. At which of the following places Nadir Shah did not climb? Answer is option C, Kannauj. When Akbar was young, his guardian was. Answer is option B, Bairam Khan. Mughal capital from Agra to Delhi was transferred during the reign of which Mughal emperor? Answer is option D, Shah Jahan. The most decisive battle from the point of view of the consolidation of the Mughal Empire was. Answer is option B, Battle of Khanwa. Who invited Babur, the founder of Mughal dynasty, to invade India? Answer is option A, Daulat Khan. Babur was originally the ruler of. Answer is option D, Fargana.